And in my lab, we work on different planning and learning methodologies to allow the robots to handle different environments. And we do have different platforms, including the autonomous surface vehicles, autonomous underwater vehicles, the unmanned aerial vehicles, and unmanned ground vehicles. So we have been working on different platforms, and the motivation behind is to help humans to do jobs that are either too dangerous or too labor-intensive. So UAV can be used to map the elevation in the terrains, like the mountains, the hills, but the underwater vehicles can be used to map the seafloor and the submarine infrastructure. We have been using the autonomous surface vehicles to help us to model and monitor our environments. In that case, we want to use the surface vehicle to measure and also build a map to reflect the dynamic process of the pollutant. The UAV mapping and exploration in some unknown space, such as in a building with fire. The goal is to allow the robots to go inside the unknown building and quickly explore the environment, and in the meantime, can search and rescue some humans inside. We have been working on technologies that can enable the ground robots to handle very challenging or extreme conditions, including both positive and negative obstacles. This can be very important for scenarios such as the robots need to work in the agriculture environments or on the construction sites. We have a few PhD students and master students, and they have been working on different aspects of the autonomy. For example, some students have been working on developing the methodologies or the algorithms, and other students have been working on the hardware and also the sensors. So when the robot is working in the environment, both the action and the perception can have uncertainties. The robot will use its onboard sensors, such as the LiDARs or the cameras, to measure the environment and use that environment to do the self-state estimation. And one very typical application is called the simultaneous localization and mapping, which has been used in the self-driving vehicles.